Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So tonight I am making chicken fried steak or country fried steak, depending on where you're from. Really simple recipe. I already have 3 going in hot oil, and I just want to show you. I've got some gravy, country gravy going. Doesn't have sausage or bacon in it, but it tastes really good. Okay, so what I do, simplest meal, I get cube steak at the store. And I season the flour, okay? So you put salt and pepper in the flour. And I use breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, and crushed cornflakes. That's my secret, crushed cornflakes. And I put a little bit of Lori seasoned salt in it, and Lori seasoned pepper, and what else? Let's see. Today, I put in some of this Famous Dave's rib rub. You can put it on anything. It's really good. So sometimes I put Italian seasoning in it. It just depends on the mood. So tonight we're just doing a really simple meal that tastes awesome. So first you dry your chicken fried steak, your cube steak, with a towel. Make sure it's really dry, and then dip it into your flour. When that's nice and coated, see that? So cube steak is just tenderized round steak. That's all it is. If you see round steak and you don't see cube steak, it's actually cheaper to buy round steak and have your butcher tenderize it. Make sure that they run it 2 times through the tenderizing machine to get it both sides and get all those little nooks and crannies in there that you want. Nice and tender. So after the flour, you dip it in the egg like this. Make sure it's all coated. And then you're going to dip it into your breadcrumb mixture. Make sure it's all coated. Press down on it like this so it gets all coated. So I do the same thing, the same kind of batter for a liver dish that I do, that I'm going to be showing you really soon. If your family doesn't eat liver, the way I make it, they might eat it. It tastes like chicken fried steak, and it's in a lemon butter gravy, and it's just like a sauce. It's amazing. I've been making it for about 38 years now. About 38 years. It is amazing. If you don't tell them it's liver, they'll never know. They'll think it's chicken fried steak. But for tonight, this is our chicken fried steak. So that's all you do, is you just batter it in this like this. And then you fry it up until it's golden brown. And look at that. Nice, crispy chicken fried steak. Or country fried steak. I guess we'll call it country fried steak. So let's see. There we go. I have this on really low, so I'm going to just heat it up a little bit. That's all you do. And then I put it right here on a dish with paper toweling or napkin just to soak up some of that grease. And voila, I'm serving it with beets and baked potatoes tonight. You can serve it with mashed potatoes since you have some awesome gravy. And I made some biscuits out of Bisquick. It's going to come out absolutely amazing. I'm going to take this one out. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Looks so good. That's all you do. Simple. So let me know if you try this recipe, you guys. And let me know what you think. Super simple recipe. Yes, it gets greasy. The grease goes all over your stove, but easy to clean. I might show you a little secret about that too. I have a secret about cleaning your stove. If anybody wants to see that, put a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you want to see my secret, because it's pretty cool. Something my mom taught me years ago. And it's a product. It's an old product that you can still get, and it works like a charm. So that's all for tonight. easy chicken fried steak. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more. Tomorrow we are canning chicken in a new way. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed night.